Hello family, welcome back to Naturally. Today we'll be doing this hair treatment for massive hair growth and strong hair. We will be needing only 3 ingredients, that is honey, olive oil and egg. So our first ingredient is honey. Honey is used as a treatment for wound healing because of its ability to promote cell growth. So when you introduce honey into your scalp, it's able to promote more cell growth and enhance hair growth. Our next ingredient is olive oil. And then our final ingredient is egg. So olive oil has so many benefits because it's rich in fatty acids and antioxidants. You can use olive oil for hair growth and also reap its other amazing benefits that range from strengthening and nourishing the hair. Olive oil soothes the scalp and it reduces hair breakage. It also prevents damage. Our final ingredient, that is egg. Egg is one of the most common ingredients that is used in hair care. Egg, when applied into the scalp, is infused into the hair follicles with much needed vitamins and minerals. As my hair is very dry, like you should do this treatment when your hair is dry, when you feel your hair needs some moisture in order to enhance its growth, or when you feel that your hair's growth has been stagnant, like it's not growing long, it's been it's stuck at the same length for a long while, then you do this treatment. I start off by spraying my homemade DIY spray, and this is infused with fenugreek, rosemary, cloves and other herbs boiled together, and I store in the fridge. So I spray onto my hair just to moisten my hair a bit before applying the mixture of honey, olive oil and then egg. You should do this and make sure that your hair is well moistened, because if your hair is not very moist, the honey is not going to be absorbed well into your scalp and the hair strands. But when the hair is a bit moist, it's able to absorb it easily and faster. If you're new to this channel, please do well to subscribe for more videos like this. This channel is about natural remedies for fast and healthy hair growth. I take advantage of this method to finger detangle my hair to remove my hair of other shed hair strands in it. I usually finger detangle. I haven't used a comb in the longest time. Finger detangling has always been my secret in retaining my hair length. So you take advantage to carefully finger detangle your hair before applying the mixture. When applying the mixture, please focus on the hair strands and the scalp too. It's both good for the scalp and the hair strands because honey promotes hair growth, and hair growth begins from the scalp. And also honey makes the hair strands manageable, so that is why it's important to apply the product on both your hair and then your scalp. That is in order to have effective results. Don't forget your edges. Your edges are very, very fragile, so they need a lot of nutrients, not a lot to be concentrated, no, or overloaded, no, a lot, like enough. When doing treatment, you should always remember your edges, because when you have beautiful edges, like it makes your hair full. Afterwards, I gently put my hair into a twist and then apply the treatment into all parts of the hair. So you can put it in a twist, or you can just wrap it around and hold it with something, anyhow you want to do it, just so you don't end up mixing the hair, but once you've applied the treatment and then once you've not applied. That's why it's advisable to section it, and then so you can be able to differentiate between the ones that you've applied the treatment and the ones you haven't applied any treatment. Now let me tell you a bit about my hair journey, or about natural hair. So natural hair is a journey because you need to give it time, you need to be patient with it, you need to be consistent with anything you want to apply to it. If you want to see results in your natural hair growth, you need to be patient and consistent. Like, it's funny how you have to be patient and be consistent at the same time. But yes, if you really want to see results, you need to be patient and consistent. So I'll be putting pictures of my hair journey on the screen so that you can watch it as well. So I started my natural hair journey in 2016, and then I did my big chop in 2020. I did my big chop because my hair was breaking, there were no results. Like, I was done. It's like you are at the end. And also because I wanted a new look, and I thought that cutting my hair down flat is going to make my hair grow strong, but no, it's a misconception. If you cut your hair, or when you cut your hair down and you don't treat it, it's not going to grow. It's going to repeat the same mistakes as to why you cut the hair. It's going to repeat those same mistakes. So when you cut your hair, you should be willing to treat it. You should be willing to apply products. You should be willing to invest your time in it. Else you are going to still lose so much hair, and you wouldn't really understand this natural hair journey. So yeah, natural hair journey can be for everyone, but you should make sure you have time and you have the knowledge, or you be willing to do the research and all that. You don't need every product in this world. Honey is a common product. You can get them in the market, you can get them at the mall. Olive oil is also a common product. Egg is basic and very common, and you don't need any expensive product to make your hair go. You just need to know which product to use for your hair. After I'm done applying the mixture or the treatment into all parts of my hair, I give my hair a good massage. Like, you should give your hair a good massage. At least you are prepping your hair before you do the actual steaming. So you massage your hair, the corners, the sides, the front, the back. Try to give your hair a good massage before you proceed to wear the steamer cap. So your hair is prepped before the actual heat is introduced into the hair. I use my residue to, put into the scalp, because nothing should be wasted. Everything is important. Yeah, a natural hair journey, anything you do, any treatment you do, you store the rest in the fridge, because it's never wasted. I then wrap my hair with a polythene bag and then proceed to wear my steamer cap. Steamer cap is extremely beneficial for natural hair. Not natural hair alone, it's beneficial for hair growth. Steaming the hair opens the pores in the scalp, and when the scalp is open, or when the pores in the scalp is open, it is able to absorb a lot of products. So after steaming and washing and conditioning my hair, can you see how bouncy my hair has become? Like, it was very hard from the onset, and now it's very, very bouncy. This is my magic ingredient. I am sure people have seen this pomade or this hair growth pomade. No, one way or the other, I know you know about it. And you can use any hair growth pomade you want. If you have Chapter 2000, if you have Blue Magic, if you have hair fertilizer, any hair pomade you have, you can use it after this treatment. I'm deciding to use this one because that's what I have available. So you can use which one you think is suitable for you. Now that my hair is already in a moistened state, I don't need to moisturize it with my herbal spray. I just go ahead and apply my hair growth pomade to it, and I'm good to go. I am good to go. So guys, this is the treatment I'm doing for my hair in this video. You can repeat this twice in a month. Like you can do this twice in a month and you see how fast your hair will grow. This will quicken the growth of your hair like 3 times faster, because this is honey, coconut oil and egg is the first treatment I did to my hair after I big chopped, and it's really quickened my hair growth. That's how come I'm very sure about steaming natural hair or steaming the hair in general. Steaming the hair promotes hair growth. It's really promotes hair growth. So you can try this anytime you want, but the earlier the better. Let me know what you think about this video. Is natural hair something that you are willing to start and end, or you are not sure about your journey? You think it's not for you, you think it's taking too much of your time? Oh my goodness, what I can say is that natural hair can be for anyone who is willing to invest time, and not even products. I don't want to mention products because with natural hair you don't need a lot of products. Who is willing to learn the tricks, the secrets, the tips? If you are willing to acquire knowledge, you'll be able to grow natural hair to any length that you want. So yeah, I come to the end of my video. I apply the product into all the parts of my hair and put my hair in a twist. I'll be doing this again or another treatment in another week. I'm not sure of which. It depends on how my hair feels. If my scalp is feeling a bit itchy or pain, I use my onion juice. If I want to introduce moisture into my hair, I use my clay. Like, it depends. If I want to put protein in my hair, I'll use my avocado and egg. So it depends on how I feel or how my hair feels in a couple of weeks. That is when I'm going to do a particular type of treatment. It's advisable to put your hair in twist or do the African threading or stretch your hair, whichever you want, just so the hair doesn't tangle, because at this stage it really tangles a lot. At this stage it's very healthy. That is how come the elasticity of the hair has become very high. When you pull the hair, it just bounces back. So at this stage you need to put it in section and twist it or straighten it. Blow dry it if you want. Don't leave it like that, else it's going to tangle back and you're going to end up losing a lot of hair trying to detangle it. So I'll end here for today. Let me know what you think about this video. Is this something you'll be doing soon, or is it something that you are tired of? Before I end this video, let me glance through the benefits of the products used in this video. So honey is used as a treatment for wound healing because of its ability to promote cell growth, and there's cells in our scalp. So when you use honey in the scalp, it's able to promote the cell growth in the scalp. There was a study in 2013 that revealed that honey can promote the growth of skin cells, and the scalp is full of cells that make up many follicles and ducts, so important for hair growth. So it's very important to introduce honey into your hair. Moving forward, olive oil is also very important for the hair. You can decide to use olive oil to pre-poo your hair before your actual shampoo, or you can just decide to mix it with your other treatment in treating your hair. But olive oil is generally very beneficial for hair growth, and everything boils down to being consistent. If you pick one ingredient for your hair, make sure you are consistent with it. Make sure you decide to use it for at least 6 months and proceed it throughout the year. That is when you see actual result or actual improvement. Don't use it one day and then leave it to another thing, and then you end up confusing your hair. So please be consistent with whichever product you want to introduce to your hair. Olive oil has everything that our hair needs to stay healthy and thick. This is because of the omega-3 fatty acids it contains, which make it easier for the hair to become thicker and more voluminous. Egg, which is one of the most common ingredients among, or even if you don't find these two, egg is very common. When you apply eggs directly to the roots, it helps infuse your hair follicles with much needed vitamins and minerals. It nourishes your scalp and encourages new growth to grow thicker and stronger and be less prone to breakage and shedding. And when your hair doesn't fall out as much, it appears thicker and healthier. So all these three ingredients go a long way in making your hair very, very healthy. Why don't you try it at home? Like, why don't you try it yourself? So I'll be ending here for today. Let me know what you think about it. If you have any suggestions, any questions, any contributions, please let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you're new, so that I'll know that I'm doing a good job. Yeah, my name is Lydia once again. If you're new to this channel, please do well to subscribe. Till next time, bye.